Everyone, this is Paul Sapera, and you're listening to DJ Tommy G, the Hitman, at 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Thank you for listening.
89.5 Subic Bay Radio. Welcome back. And time for some of the latest piece of news and info. News and info for you. All right, a couple of events that will be happening in the Subic Bay Freeport. All right. Well, we only have a couple left events for May dahil mag-June na, you know. For April 25, no, not April, May. I just said May, and then I go April. For May 25 to 26 is the Audax Randonneurs Philippines. They will be having the Audax Ride. Okay, Subic Bay Freeport has become the home of the Audax Ride since, well, time immemorial. Football tournament by the Subic Bay Flag Football, also May 25 to the 26th. And Sanyo Denki's Sports Fest Championships on May 26 as well. May 29, Regional Science High School completion and graduation ceremonies. And the Tapinak Senior High School's graduation on May 30. All right. Also, I would like to add on June 7, 2024, we will be having the Century Tuna Superbods, the Underpants Run at the Subic Bay Boardwalk. June 7, 2024, 5 p.m. However, registration is now closed. Napunuan na no? Ang bilis na napunuan yung first 500 slots only. Registration is free. Libre naman sumali. Kaya lang, however, it's limited to 500 only. 18 years and above. Okay? Once again, that's gonna be happening if you wanna watch na lang. Nood na lang kayo. Sarap naman manood ng no? Ng Superbods. Makikita mo kasi yung participants talaga, Superbods in their underpants, huh? Underpants Run. Subic Bay Boardwalk, June 7, 2024, 5 p.m. Okay? So, see you there at the Boardwalk. June 7, 2024, 5-kilometer fun run. It's all just gonna be just for fun, you know, okay? And a couple of invites now coming from our friends at SM City, Olongapo Central, and SM City, Olongapo Downtown. Do check out the beauty sale. Uy, last day ba ngayon? Start ngayon, okay? The SM Beauty Sale nationwide. May 15 to May 19, up to 50% off. It's at the SM store, inside the SM store, okay? And even though Mother's Day is over, they still got offers for nanays up until May 24. Actually, this is from May 11 to May 24. The special deals for moms, free gelato at Caramia, signature facial free at Dermcare, and free play pass for kids at Ambika. Free play pass, okay? So check out the SM store, SM City Olongapo Central for that. Para kay nanay. Okay, and the best gift that you can give to anybody, of course, the SM Gift Pass. Get them now at the customer service counter at all SM stores, okay? Nationwide. The famous Belgian waffles is now open at the SM City Olongapo Downtown. Okay, so check it out. If you're baka you're craving right now for waffles, the famous Belgian waffles at the downtown SM store, in the ground level, I mean, of SM Downtown. Okay, shoes and bags sale up to 50% off May 1 to 31 at all SM stores nationwide. Free A&W root beer for every 250 pesos minimum single receipt food purchase at the food court, okay? And the free Kabalen buffet is still ongoing with your SMAC card. For every 4 paying customers, the fifth one is free. So bring along with you 4 paying customers so that yours will be free. Just don't forget your SMAC card. And free drink upsize for CBTL, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf up until December 31. All right? And lastly, if you got plans of seeing the movies, okay, yung mga gustong manood ng movie, let me give you the lineup of what's showing for the cinemas of SM City Olongapo Central and SM City Olongapo Downtown. Pero Wednesday ngayon, ano, so they might have a new lineup, for the cinemas. Okay, so you better check muna the SM official cinema page. They have it on Facebook din, meron din. Okay, so you guys go check that. All right. And also, as I mentioned a while ago, today is the last day of the Sam's Pizza Flash Sale Radio Contest. Last day na ngayon. So, if you guys will call me, as I said earlier, for those who will call me and will answer the simple question that I have for you about Sam's Pizza, then you will get the chance to win the Sam's Pizza Radio Contest. Okay, so call me now, 0910-6909-501. We need a caller. Once again, 0910-6909-501. Call me. Hindi pwedeng text, kailangan tawag, no? Yan, madali lang. It's gonna happen today, the flash sale at Sam's Pizza, all branches. Okay, we have a caller. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Hello. Hi, what's your name?
Marian Hanigan.
Marian Hanigan.
Hanigan.
Oo. Yung Tagalog ba ng Hanigan, yung ano, yung honey mo nawala? may nagsabi na sa'yo niyan, ako pa lang. Oo. Papa-trademark ko yan, ha? Sali ka sa radio contest?
Yes po.
Ayan. Taga saan ka? Saan nakatira si Ate Marian Hanigan?
Sa dulo ng Gordon Heights.
Dulo ng Gordon Heights, sus Mariosep. Oh, alam niyo po yung ano, yung dulo ng Gordon Heights? Hindi pa doon, dulo na.
Sa Tralala.
Sa Tralala. Sige. Okay. Oy, kakailanganin natin yung ID mo, ha, na nagsasabing pangalan mo, tsaka ano, dulo ng Gordon Heights nakalagay kailangan, no. Importante 'yan, no. Yan yung reason kung ba't hindi pinapasok yung tigre sa school, walang ID. Oh. Pero yung lion nakapasok kasi may ID, no? So alam mo na yung promo ng flash sale promo ng Sam's Pizza, no? Hala, sinabi ko yung title. Tanong, alam mo na, you know what to do? Ready ka na?
Yes po.
Okay, sige. First up, you need to tell me kailan tsaka ano yung promo that's gonna happen. Actually happening na, no? At Sam's Pizza, go ahead.
Happen in May 15, flash sale, radio contest. Participating branches is Magsaysay, Barreto, and Casquederos.
Yes, May 15, flash sale. Ayan. No, sinama niya yung radio contest kasi ito yung radio contest happening now. Tapos, paano naman yung ano? Can you give me, briefly lang, can you give me how the promo mechanics goes? Okay?
Get 1 2-in-1 flavor, 12 family size pizza for only 299 pesos, paid 179.
Yun, okay. Isang 12 inches, malaki na yun, 12 inches, no? Tapos sa yung flavor niya, dalawa, 2-in-1, okay. Tapos ano yung mga mix and match flavors na pwede?
The mixed match flavors, Hawaiian and beef mushroom,
okay.
Pepperoni and cheese bacon mushroom,
okay.
Hawaiian and cheese bacon mushroom,
okay.
Pepperoni and beef mushroom.
Wow! Sarap lahat yan, ha? Kung ikaw pipili, anong pipiliin mong mix and match flavor?
Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom.
Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom. Alam mo, ayan yung pinaka sa lahat ng tinanong ko sa radio contest, yan yung pinaka number 1 pick. Pinaka maraming nag-pick niyan, Hawaiian and cheesy bacon mushroom. Ba't kaya sa tingin mo? Ano sa tingin mo?
Mas masarap kasi yun, sir.
Pag ako pipili, pipiliin ko durian and pipino. Okay, congratulations, you got it right. Ang claiming today, ha? Today na po ang claiming, May 15. Hanggang open naman sila hanggang mamayang gabi, no?
Hanggang 6 p.m.
I think even beyond kasi 'di ba gabi naman sila nagsasara yan.
Yes po.
Just bring your ID. I'm gonna forward your name. Bring your ID dun sa Sam's Pizza Magsaysay branch. Okay? Ayan, congratulations to you. May mga gusto kong batiin.
Binabati ko po yung mga nakikinig ngayon. Happy Wednesday.
Lahat na nakikinig, no? Walang kawala, wala ng pangalan pero swak lahat, no? Alright. Ay, yung traditional question pala, sino daw yung artista look-alike ni ni Marian? Huwag mo sabihin si Marian Rivera, ha?
Parang unknown.
Si Unknown. Kilala ko yun, si Unknown, no? Sige. Congratulations to you. Maraming salamat. Thank you for calling.
Thank you very much.
Okay, congratulations. Our winner. Naku, last na today kasi ngayon na yung promo, ha. So last na yan ang ating radio contest Sam's Pizza Flash Sale Radio Contest. Kayo naman po mga hindi nakasali sa radio contest, pero syempre, pwede nyo pa rin i-avail to. Murang-mura lang, $299 lang. Tapos 12 inches na 2 flavors na mix and match. Waging-wagi. Kasi kung bibilin mo yon, kung babayaran mo talaga yung 2 flavors na yon, 179 pa ang idadagdag mo sa 299. So that's a total of 299 plus 179, 9 plus 9, 18, carry 1. 478 yun. Kala nyo, di ko kaya i-math yan ha. Kaya ko yan. 478 all in all. So you save 179. Sayang din yung 179. Di ba? Ano rin yun ha? Mga 3-4 na kilong bigas din yun. Di ba? Tama ba? Depende. Ginto na yata yung presyo ng bigas. Mga 3 lang siguro. Okay. Again, congratulations to our winner. And you've heard the invites. Once again, June 7 po, mangyayari na yung Century Tuna Underpants Run Super Bods. Okay, dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. June 7 po at the Boardwalk sa mga gustong manood, ha? Okay, it's something like a prelude to the Century Tuna Ironman Triathlon na gaganapin din dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. Okay, so that's about it for me. Those are the offers. Those are the news and updates from in and around Subic Bay Freeport. I'm gonna play my final song now. Here is a requested song. Somebody asked for the intro voice song called Di Na Ko Aasa Pa. It's gonna be my last song. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace.